Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. I hope you all are doing well and keeping safe in this lockdown period. Today we are going to discuss about client meetings or your new inquiry that you have received from the client and you're going to provide your service or deliver your products to them. Alright, so the first point, if you have been called for a meeting, then it is a very good sign because the client has shown interest in meeting you. That means whatever information the client has about you, your service, or the product is a good review. There is already competition in the market, and if the client has shown interest in meeting you, that is a very big positive sign, and you should feel confident about it. This means that the scrutiny is over and you have been shortlisted among a group of people or a pool of providers, and you should take the meeting forward with a very good sign. Second point, present yourself well. Appearance is the first thing that client is going to notice about you in the whole discussion. The service you deliver or the product you're going to deliver is the secondary thing that is going to come into picture, but your appearance is of utmost importance. So prepare well, dress nice, and then go for the meeting. Third point, greet him with a proper shake hand. If it's a female client, your handshake should be firm but gentle. Fourth point, always listen to your client's requirement first because that is what is going to win you your deal with the client. This is going to help you in the longer run. When you hear the client's requirement, you are one step ahead of what you're going to pitch or in what way you're going to pitch your service or the product that you want to deliver to him. This way, you begin an interaction with the client and both the parties get comfortable with each other discussing the product or the service that he wants. Pitch for your service or the product after you listen to his requirements and in the same manner that he has put forward his requirements, because there is where the client is going to relate to your service or the requirements that he is looking for. Fifth point, tell the client about your successful projects or the successful services that you have delivered to your previous clients. What it does is it generates a faith and trust with your client, and he is assured that you're going to give him the same service or the same success that he is looking for because he is going to pay for it. Sixth point, during the discussion with your client, always be a good listener. Don't interrupt when he's talking because that is rude, and if you break his continuity, you are going to get lesser inputs from your side and you don't know, or you would be knowing lesser facts of what you're going to deliver to him. Next point, after a certain amount of discussion, try jotting down the points that you have or the client has already discussed with you, and try to recite while jotting down the points that he has given to you. What it does is that it confirms that whatever you are jotting down is the requirement that is given by the client. And secondly, it creates an interactive session where the client also recites with you, and if he misses or if he has missed out on any of the point, he would give you additional inputs, and this becomes your winning point from the other service providers because you have got more inputs while delivering. Next point, give him an estimated timeline and an approximate costing for the service or the product that you're going to deliver to him, because this is where the client tries to gauge the amount of time and money he is going to invest in this whole process. At the end of the discussion, always assure the client about the follow-up call that you're going to give it to him after a couple of days, because that is where your professionalism and your mannerism and etiquettes come into picture, and the client gets rest assured about he is in good hands and he's got a good service provider or a product dealer for him. Alright, now I'm going to share you two pro tips from my side. Pro tip number one, never ask clients what others are offering him. Client might think that you have lesser confidence and that is why you're asking about what others are going to offer him. Pro tip number two, never try to convince your client. Try to explain your services or the product that you're going to deliver, because if you explain it to him properly, he doesn't need any convincing. I hope these tips and pro tips are going to be very useful for you, and you're going to succeed in your first client meeting and you're going to get that client. I will take your leave now. See you and take care.